Hey you guys, my name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. If you are new here, hey, click that subscribe button because I'm sure you're gonna like me. And if you are returning, welcome back, sweetie. I love you, I appreciate you. Oh, and I didn't mention this in any of my other videos I done recorded today. I finally reached 80 freaking subscribers and I'm so happy. Thank y'all so much for helping me get to 80. It's really a huge milestone for me. Like, and I be getting very freaking discouraged about my channel because it's not growing, but them little milestones really matter. So thank y'all for helping me get to 80. I'm currently at 81 and I could not be more happier. I couldn't be more happier. I couldn't be happier. So yeah, thank you for helping me get to 80 subscribers. The next goal is freaking 100. I do plan on having a giveaway at 100 subscribers. I know I said that at 50 subscribers, but no, we didn't do that. So I will be having a very small one when I hit 100. So if you see this and you want to be a part of that giveaway, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to me. But yeah, as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a super mini product haul, natural hair product haul. So let's freaking get right into it. So I'm going to start with this product. This is the Softy Extra Hold Protein Styling Gel. If you're black, you know what this is. I can't believe you if you say you have never seen this, let alone used it. I love this gel. Like, you may think that I started using this gel because of all the hate that Eco Styler was getting, and that's honestly not true. I honestly just wanted more for my buck, more for my dollar. Like, and this was pretty big, and it's pretty big and it's cheap. Like, it was literally 32 ounces. And the reason I chose to show y'all this first is because in multiple videos I've had this scooped out. As you can see, let me show y'all. I've had it scooped out into that small Eco Styler jar because this is too big to carry around. And I've been talking about this haul for a lot of videos. So, oh, and I'll link up above and down below the wash and goes or whatever styles I have on here that I use this with, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But yes, if you're looking for something, if you want to venture out of Eco Styler, and you're looking for something just different, or if you want to go back to your roots, I definitely recommend this. I have used this. This isn't a review, but I recommend it. Oh, and this black gel is brown, so if you don't like that or you have lighter color hair, may suck for you, but if you have dark hair like me, I recommend. So the next product is a product that y'all have seen a million times on my channel, and it's the Garnier Fructis Slick and Shine Anti-Frizz serum. My dumb self. I use this for every single thing. Everything, y'all. Use this for everything. So yeah, that's the next product. This is the new bottle. This is like my third or fourth bottle that I have bought of this because I love it so much. This is the only serum that I use, and with my type of hair, whenever I do any like twist out, perm set, flexi rise set, any blow dry look, when I blow dry my hair, when I straighten my hair, all that, this is what I use. Like, it's just the best for my type of hair, especially when I'm separating my hair, because oil on my hands and against my hair, it just doesn't do anything. Like, this is what I need. This, it makes separating so much easier, and I feel like it helps my hair be less frizzy. Like, I just recommend this, especially if you have hair like mine, and even if you don't, it'll give you a different experience instead of just using the oil. Like, I guarantee it'll be a better experience. So definitely recommend this, and I had to pick it back up, obviously. So now we're getting into products that I haven't even used before in my whole entire life. So one of my subscribers on here recommended this. This is the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrated with Shea Butter shampoo and conditioner, and this is how it looks. It wasn't too expensive at all. It was probably like $5 each, And this shampoo looks very creamy. I haven't used it before, and I love the packaging. I love how it looks. I love how sleek it looks. This isn't the only type of this isn't the only line in the Maui Moisture. If I like this enough, I'm going to buy the other ones. But yeah, one of my subscribers literally recommended this exact one in the pink bottle because she said we have similar hair. So I took her word for it, and I finally got it. And yeah, I'm excited to use it. And when I use it, I may or I may not do a product review, and it may not be on here or my Instagram. So comment down below if y'all would like a review on this when I do finally use it, and let me know if you would like it on my Instagram or my YouTube. In the very last product is this Garnier Fructis Nourish Treat 1 minute hair mask, and this is the coconut extract one. They have a lot of these, like a lot of these. So this right here is vegan friendly, a vegan formula. It's a 94% biodegradable formula. No silicones, no parabens, and no artificial colors. And this can be used as a 1 minute hair mask, as a conditioner, like a washout conditioner, and as a leave-in conditioner. And yeah, it's 98% naturally derived ingredients, by the way, just in case you wanted to see that. But yeah, this can be used as a hair mask, a 1 minute hair mask, a washout conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner. I'm actually going to use this on my hair tonight as a deep conditioner. So if you would like, I may wait and do a review so I can give y'all a review on it in every aspect except the washout conditioner. I wouldn't use this as a washout conditioner. But yeah, they have so many more of these. They have an avocado one, a banana type of something one, all that. But this is the coconut one. So, and I didn't get this because I just love coconut. It was just my Walmart. They had the little ones for like $3, and then you have the big ones like this for $5. It's better for your pocket if you just get the bigger one, like, honestly. So with the bigger ones, it was between this one and the avocado one, and I just decided to get this one. You know, I don't think you can go wrong with coconut. So, but yeah, if you have used this, like I said on the other ones, comment down below and let me know if you like it and how it worked for you. But yeah, y'all, that's it for this super mini product haul. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Like I said, for all these products, comment down below if you have ever used these products and how they work for you, like whether you liked it, disliked it, whatever. Comment all that down below. Share this video with a friend. Watch all of my previous videos. I'm just gonna keep it real with you. I want you to watch all of them. I want you to comment on them. I want you to like them. I want you to do all that. Subscribe to my channel while you're at it. And yeah, y'all, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.